Hey everyone, so today I'm doing problem 59 from the practice final, and given f of x equals x plus 1 squared minus 16, we have to find all of these things. So we're going to start with the vertex. So to find the vertex, it's hk. Point h in our problem is 1, and k is a negative 16. So our vertex is a negative 1, negative 16. Now, the second part is, does the graph open up or down? Since this is a positive, the graph is going to open up. For part C, it says the axis of symmetry. So our axis of symmetry is x, and in our x spot, it's a negative 1. So x equals a negative 1. The next thing we have to find is our x-intercepts. So to find our x-intercepts, we are going to set the whole thing to 0. So we're going to rewrite it. And now set it to 0. So 0 equals x plus 1 squared minus 16. So we're going to add 16 to both sides. So 16 equals x plus 1 squared. Take the square root of both sides. So x plus 1 equals a positive or negative 4. So x plus 1, we have to set it to 0. Just kidding. X plus 1 equals positive 4, and x plus 1 equals a negative 4. So x equals 3, and x equals a negative 5. And those are our x-intercepts. And now we have to find our y-intercepts. So we're going to set f of x to f of 0. Which equals 0 plus 1 squared minus 16. So f of 0 equals a negative 15. So our y-intercept is a negative 15. Cool. So now we have to sketch the graph. So I have my graph. And we have to find our vertex. So it's a negative 1, negative 16. And it intercepts the x at a negative 5 and a positive 3. And we're just going to connect with a curve. All right, and then the last part, it says state the domain and the range. So the domain equals a negative infinity, infinity, and the range equals negative 16 to infinity. And that's how you solve the problem.